Hey guys, my name is Shashank and welcome back to this another tutorial, and today in this video I'm going to show you 9 most important copy and paste tricks which nobody has ever told you. Yes, you heard me right, that nobody has ever told you. So right now let's start with the very first trick. So most of the times when we try to create a chart, the general process is we simply select the data and then we go to the insert tab, or we create or select any chart which we want to display on our Excel sheet, right? But there is another trick which you can do by a simple copy and pasting. So first of all, just go to insert tab and select any chart which you want to show on your Excel sheet, right? And you will see this blank chart because you have not selected any data. Now, when you have this blank chart, simply select the data. Press Ctrl C, select your chart, then press Ctrl V. Now your data has been transformed on a chart. Isn't it cool? Yes, and then you can do whatever you want to do in that chart. Now, let's move on to the trick number 2. Most of the times we create some charts and then we try to display that chart on multiple sheets, right? So the simple trick we can do is, the general process is we select the data, we create another chart, and then we share that chart on another sheet, right? But there is another trick which you can do. Simply press your control key, right, and then hold it, then press your left key and then drag that chart wherever you want to do. This will create copies of your chart, and then you can do it multiple times, share on multiple sheets, right? And you can do this with your data also. Simply select the data which you want to copy, press control and hold it, then press your left key and then drag your mouse wherever you want to copy that data. So isn't it cool and simple? Just press and hold your control key and your left mouse key, right? So now let's move on to the trick number 3. Next is that sometimes we have formulas in our columns or in our cells, right? But we don't want to display them as formulas, we want to display them as values. So what do? So there is a trick. Simply select the data. For example, this column is having this formula, simple formula, some formula, right? So I want to display this column not as formulas but as values. So simply select the data, press Ctrl C, right? And then go to any column or cell where you want to paste that data. Now press right click. You will see this option, values. Now your formulas has been converted into simple values, and they are not variables, they are fixed values. So if I change any number in this cell, it will not change these values here, right? Even if you want to convert that formula into values into this in the same column, you can simply do that. Simply select the data, press Ctrl C and then press right click, then convert it into values. Now your formulas has been converted into values, right? So now let's move on to the trick number 4. Sometimes we are experimenting with our data. We create data in rows or in columns, but we want to transform or transpose that data into rows from columns or into columns from rows. So most of the times people do copy and paste, right? But there is another trick. Simply select the data. For example, I want to display this data in columns. So I will press Ctrl C, copy it, and then go to any cell, press right click, and then go to this option, transpose. It will transpose your data from rows to columns, and you can do it vice versa from column to rows, right? Now let's move on to the next trick. So sometimes we have to move our data, right? Which means cutting from the delete from it from one cell and then paste it on another cell. So the simple function we always use is Ctrl X and Ctrl V, but there is another trick. If I want to move this data from this column to this cell, right? So what I do, press your Alt key and then press your left key and then move your data. Now it has been moved, or you can say deleted, from these cells and has been pasted on these cells, right? So now let's move on to the next trick. For example, sometimes we do multiplications with simple formulas, right? The multiplication formulas. But there is another trick which you can do by using the copy and paste function. So this is, for example, I want to multiply all these numbers with this number 10. So one trick is type your formula and then multiply these values, right? But there is another trick. Simply copy this data, Control C, and then paste it here, and then select the number with which you want to multiply your values and press Control C. Then select the data with which you want to multiply that number, and then press right click, go to paste special, and then select multiply, and then your values has been multiplied by this number, right? So now let's move on to the next trick. For example, as I told you that sometimes we want to shift our columns, right? We want to move our columns, but sometimes we want to interchange our columns between, let's say I want to shift this F column to H column and H to F. So most of the times we do Control X, we cut that column and then we insert that column before G, right? But you can do it by a simple trick. Just simply select your data, press Ctrl T, and transform your data into table. Now I want to move this H column before my E column. So what do? I will simply select the data, right? And then press your Alt key, right? And then press your left key and then move your data. You will see that your data has been moved from H column to E, and E column has been shifted to H. So this is how you can interchange your data between the columns, right? Now let's move on to the next trick. Sometimes we want to share our charts, right, on different sheets, but we don't want people to manipulate the data. So what you can do, you can simply create any chart. For example, if I create a chart here, insert and recommended charts, and this is the chart which I want to create. I want to share this chart with the people, but I don't want them to manipulate the data. So what I can do, I will simply select the chart, press Ctrl C, and then select any sheet or cell where you want to share that chart, and then press right click and paste it as a picture. Now this is the same chart, right? But you cannot edit or manipulate your data in this chart because this is a picture, right? So now let's move on to our last trick. So this trick is very handy because sometimes we want to copy multiple data, but by default you cannot paste all of those data in a single click, because you can do it with the latest data which you have copied. For example, if I want to copy this data and this data into different cells, I can do it one by one, not simultaneously, right? But there is a trick. For example, I have copied this data, Control C, and then I want to copy this data, press Control C. But now I can only paste this data which I have selected right now, but not this data, right? But if you go to this option, the clipboard option, you will see a history of every data which you have copied during that session, and it will display it here. You can now go and select any data and then click on that data, it will be pasted on this selected cell. Let me show you how. Now I have deleted all the history. Now this is the data which I want to copy. I will press Ctrl C and it will be saved as a temporary copy in this clipboard. And now I want to copy this data. I will press Ctrl C. Now this data has been saved here, and now I will want to go here and then I will click this, it will be pasted here. I will go here and will click this, and this will be pasted here. So this way you can create a temporary copies of multiple data, right? And then you can paste it anywhere or in any sequence, right? So that was all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.